Okay, here we are testing again of Server Please. Today is May 6th, actually. Sorry, changes. Just tested yesterday, it didn't work. Today is iOS build version 1.3.6, or actually version 1.3.6, build 1.0.13, Android 1.8.9. I just updated the app in test flight for these 4 apples. These are 4 apples, these are 5 Androids. I deleted the app and reinstalled it. So opening the app. I'm going to have to redo the waiters and stuff here. So we're all logging in at Supergirl and East. This guy went directly to there without selecting it, so I'm just going to do that again. Sign in. All right. So I'm going to log out and make sure I haven't an error like logged in the same user at what? Waiter. 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this guy's are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. So again, I'm going to have these 4 apples on table 1, 2, 6, 7, this group over here, as these phones are over here. And these 4 will be these 2, 3, 4. This guy's kind of an extra one, but we'll keep him there. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and again, today we're just checking that when the screen powers off, that the waiters' tables that they're selecting now are not released. I'm going to use this guy to see which ones have been released, but I'll go ahead and put them in at table 15 anyway. Okay. All right, so we're going to do this with Apple, with the app in the foreground, and I get a little room here. We'll do this with the app in the background, and we'll do screen off, screen powers off. So we got app in the foreground on these 2, app in the background, these 2. Table is still shown as selected initially, and we'll do the same thing with this guy. We'll do these 2 with the app in the foreground, and we'll do these 2 with the app in the background. Okay. Screen off. All right, and I'll set a 5-minute timer. So the kill function was designed if the device loses power, not if the screensaver goes off, is supposed to kill those tables that are no longer able to receive notification because the device powered off or the app was swiped closed. That takes 5 minutes for Apple devices. It takes 1 minute for Android devices. But what's been the problem is when the screensaver goes on, then the network will release the tables assigned to the device as if the device lost power instead of just went into screensaver mode. So I'm going to wait 5 minutes and check. Meantime, we'll be watching this guy. You can't see it. I see the screen is pretty bright it out. Let me see if I can change that. This is just so we can see that the tables are still selected at this point. It's been 2 minutes, that's good. Oh, there it is. Lost the tables. Apple's lost it in about 3 minutes. So all the apples, the waiters are no longer getting their notification. They drop their phone in their pocket, trusting this app to still be able to receive notifications from the customers, and they are, unbeknownst to them, not a waiter with an Apple phone is getting a notification. So naturally, that's going to piss off all the customers using this app, both waiters and customers. And because it caused a problem, then the manager is going to swear never to use this app again. So here we go, the Android's lost also. So the only one still logged on the table is this guy and this guy, Android. Which, if these other ones lost tip, now this guy, his screen didn't even go off. Table 15, this guy over here, he's still, the app is still on. Again, getting worse, not better. Wow, I don't get it. Now, I must admit, this one has been glitchy, so we're not going to trust that one. But all the other ones should work. Like now, this one lost table. This is the only guy on the table. So it's been 5 minutes, and now, just now, this guy also lost his table. So it doesn't work. Again, it's getting worse instead of better. I understand that, well, this video is made for Agile InfoWays. They're supposed to test the app and send it to me, and I test it and verify. But they are unable to test the app, so they're unable to see whether the work they did works or not, which takes my time of having to delete the app, reinstall it, re-enter username and password, make a video, edit it, upload it, wasting my time. Okay. So I also just wanted to open the screens just to make sure, just to see what it's showing there. So, and then it's taken a while to just communicate with the network to see these tables. Well, that's weird because it still shows this guy on. Now it doesn't show the Apple devices. So let's see, so these two were with the app in the background. So now it's reflecting at the other ones. Okay. So now this guy says he's still on his table, but the Androids don't know it. Oh, and now it updated that he's not on the table. This guy shows that he's still on his table. So we're getting mixed. So the network is who knows what's going on, because all of the Apple devices are not shown. This guy says he has a table, shows on this Android, this one, but it didn't at first. I don't know. It's just all weirded out. This guy, the Asus, and by the way, this is a new Asus to take the place of this one. Let's just see if this guy's on the internet. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, but not for the app. Okay. All right, well, there you see it.